Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, and today we got our $88 eBay special, the 1990 Mr. Miata project we're working on today. And today, let's see here, pull my back pocket out here. What I did was I started trying to troubleshoot things that could possibly be wrong with the Miata, and what I've come across was I did a wiring diagram of the firing order on how it should be done. There was a couple wires that were mixed around. The number, I think 1 and 3 plug was going to 2. 1 and 3 plug was going to the 2 and 4 off the module. So we're going to see if that took care of the problem. And just let you guys know, I did charge up a battery, and I just installed that in the trunk. We got Lucy down here. I got a fire extinguisher, so you never know what's going to happen. So let's see if this thing's going to fire up. Be right back. Well, we did get a bump, so that means we got no fuel or we've got no spark. I'm saying we got spark, so I guess the next topic to look at would be the fuel situation. That'll be the next topic. So thanks you guys for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.